The AMT transmitter can now integrate with your Modbus network utilizing any RS-485 converter. In this quick guide, we'll cover wiring the converter. Firstly, using a precision flathead screwdriver, loosen the screws for the terminal. Connect the wires, inserting them into the converter block in the following order: red to plus VE, blue to minus VE, green to A, and yellow to B. Check the connectors are seated and aligned correctly. Ensuring that no bare cabling is visible, tighten the terminal screws to secure the wires. When connecting the transmitter to the converter, ensure correct alignment with the larger pin 4 on the AMT matching the corresponding connection on the cable terminal. Secure the cable connector with the screw. Finally, attach the USB A to B cable and the power adapter. We hope you find this wiring guide helpful.